A very warm welcome to the open day of the Urban and Infrastructure Engineering Department at NED University of Engineering and Technology. We are delighted to have you all join us today as we showcase the incredible opportunities and innovations that define our department.
Today, as you explore our state-of-the-art facilities, engage with our esteemed faculty member and witness the impressive projects undertaken by us, you will gain a glimpse into the world of possibilities that awaits you here. From designing intelligent transportation systems that alleviate congestion to crafting green infrastructure solutions that combat climate change, our students and researchers are at the forefront of addressing real-world challenges.
देखिए, इस डिपार्टमेंट और ये डिग्री दोनों का कायाब थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट ईयर्स में हुआ है। ये जो डिग्री ओरिजिनली हमने सिविल इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट के साथ स्टार्ट की थी जो 2002 में हुई थी और हमारा पहला रैंक बैच जो है 2006 में ग्रेजुएट का था। उसके बाद 2008 में ये जो है ये फुल फ्लेज डिपार्टमेंट और ये डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ अर्बन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इंजीनियरिंग के नाम से जो इस वक्त डी है इसमें का वक्त मौजूद हुआ। और एक और बात बता दें कि आज इस साल हमारा जो बैच है वो उसको 25 साल हो जाएंगे।
The department currently offers degree in Bachelor's of Civil Engineering with specialization in urban engineering. The department continuously refines its curriculum, integrating emerging technologies, sustainability principles, and interdisciplinary approaches to prepare students for the complex challenges of modern urban environment. All batches of the program are fully accredited with PEC. Moreover, accreditation from 2014-15 based on OBE Level 2. Department of Urban and Infrastructure Engineering is equipped with 7 advanced labs. These labs includes Pavement Material Testing Lab, Surveying and Geomatics Lab, Advanced Asphalt Concrete Lab, RSGIS Lab, Traffic Simulation Laboratory, and Undergraduate Computer Center. Department of Urban and Infrastructure Engineering also owns a dedicated project library for its students, where students can find alumni theses and can work on their projects including final year project.
The frontline leaders of the department are respectable Vice Chancellor, Honorary Dean, and Chairman of Department.
Urban and Infrastructure Department currently offers 3 programs.
देखिए, लाइक ऑल अदर फैकल्टी हमारे यहाँ 3 प्रोग्राम होते हैं। ए बी सिविल इंजीनियरिंग विद स्पेशलाइजेशन इन अर्बन इंजीनियरिंग। दूसरा हमारा प्रोग्राम मास्टर्स का है, मास्टर्स इन इंजीनियरिंग मैनेजमेंट। एक ट्रैफिक इंजीनियरिंग, लेकिन वैसे एक डिग्री इसकी हुई अर्बन इंजीनियरिंग की कहलाती है। और इसके अलावा हमारे पास एक PhD प्रोग्राम है जो obviously urban engineering हम इसमें कहते हैं।
Urban engineering works towards overall improving the built urban infrastructure towards sustainability. Sound planning, resource management, low carbon transports can help improve the urban communities. Shifting towards clean and green solutions, efficient building design and renewable materials is the primary focus of urban engineers.
Artificial intelligence and information technology have revolutionized urban engineering by enhancing efficiency, sustainability, and overall livability in the cities. AI-powered systems like traffic management algorithms optimize transportation network, reducing congestion and improving air quality. With the integration of AI and IT, cities can create a smart, adaptive environment that cater to the needs of residents while fostering economic growth and environmental conservation. Some of the commonly used software and tools are Revit, that is a building information modeling software, AutoCAD, Civil 3D are design software that empower urban engineers to meet complex infrastructure challenges in 3D model-based environment. PTV Vissim, which is a microscopic multi-modal traffic flow simulation software, YOLO, which is a state-of-the-art real-time object detection system, ARGIS, which is used for mapping, spatial data analysis, and geospatial visualization, and City Engine, which provides unique interactive design and procedural modeling capabilities for the efficient creation of 3D cities and building.
मैं हमेशा मानता हूँ कि इस वक्त जितना इस फील्ड का स्कोप है शायद किसी और हार्डकोर इंजीनियरिंग का ना हो। अर्बन एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इंजीनियरिंग
Urban Department is not only limited to NED University. In fact, its outreach is out of the university, which includes MOU with SIDCL for joint research on Green Line BRT, MOU between Administrator Karachi and NED to suggest traffic management solution, development of geodatabase of existing nalas of Karachi with NDMA and Government of Sindh.
Urban Department also associates with national and international universities, including the following universities.
Urban engineering graduates are currently providing their services across various parts of the world. To encourage students who want to be a potential urban engineers, here are some of companies who will be your future employers. The list includes both international and national companies.
देखिए अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मुझे खुद को ग्रेजुएट किए हुए 30 साल हो गए। बहुत सारे इदारों में मेरे स्टूडेंट्स और बड़े हायर पोर्शन पे हैं। तो एक तो हमारे अपने ज़ाती कॉन्टैक्ट भी बहुत है जिससे हम इंटर्नशिप होते हैं। इसके अलावा NED यूनिवर्सिटी का बड़ा अच्छा एक डिपार्टमेंट है DIL जो ऑब्वियसली फैसिलिटेट करता है स्टूडेंट्स को। सबसे पहले तो वेलकम, और दूसरी चीज़ हमारे नए स्टूडेंट्स को ज़रा ये समझनी चाहिए कि जो है वो 4 साल के बाद कहाँ होंगे, वो थोड़ा सा विजन देखना पड़ेगा। हर आदमी AI में चले जाएगा, हर आदमी सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग में चला जाएगा। लेकिन मेरा ये मानना है, शायद आप सबका मानना हो, कि सिविल इंजीनियरिंग को जिस दिन क़यामत नहीं आती उस वक्त तक रहेगी। दुनिया मरती रहेगी, टूटती रहेगी, डिजास्टर होते रहेंगे, मरते रहेंगे। तो सिविल इंजीनियरिंग, तो मेरा नहीं ख्याल कि सिविल इंजीनियर जो है वो कभी बेरोजगार रह सकता है।